Hey everybody, here I am in the basement and I'm going to do a little product review for you all, the best subscribers on YouTube and Rumble.
You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
What are we going to try today? Something pizza related, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, that is this Cheetos Puffs cheese pizza flavored. I don't eat a lot of junk food, but again, I'm doing this for you all. I wonder if it's good. I know, try it, dummy, right? I don't see anything about bioengineered food ingredients on the back of the bag, and it does say something about some red dye, but it's got a guaranteed freshness and an 800 number to call if you have any questions or comments. This stuff will outlive styrofoam. Here's some good news. It's only 150 calories per portion. But on the other hand, that's only 13 pieces. Let's try this. What's this guy's name? Chester Cheetah. Back when I was a kid, it was Cheetos. Yeah, Cheetos Mouse. Let's try this. Pizza Cheetos. I'm guessing that it's probably going to taste something like that same flavor like you would probably get in combos, their pizza version, but not a pretzel. There was nice air in there before I opened it. Put a nose to it. Not really getting pizza out of that. Let's try a piece. It's a little darker than regular Cheeto, I think. I'm sure it'll stain your hands just like regular Cheetos too.
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, kind of that same flavor as combos, their pizza version of combos. Not bad though, pretty good. Yeah, I'm not going to give it a pepperoni score rating, but they're pretty good. Probably never buy them again though. Thank you for watching. I'm Polly. Till next time.